The London Eye. London is a fantastic city. There are so many amazing tourist attractions. Look at this. This is not a bicycle wheel. This is the London Eye. The London Eye is a unique tourist attraction next to the River Thames. This huge wheel is right in the heart of the UK's capital city. The London Eye is 135 metres from the top to the bottom. From the top of the eye, you can see all of the City of London. The London Eye is steel and glass. It has got 32 room-like capsules. Each capsule has got big windows. The people inside have great views of London's famous landmarks. You can see Windsor Castle. It is one of the Queen's homes. It is just outside London, about 40 kilometres away. The Shard is also in London. It has got amazing views over the city too. It is a tall glass building. It is almost 310 metres tall. From what other places in the world can people see great views? Is there a famous tall tower in your country?